Nyina ewo Hohoe enne de atadwe won atedenne fi se womra hwebedwani ene wo mensin democratic pani ayembia hodo a sebi se oyem eka wo a won betumi akwakoja won 90 se de hwepete wo kuro no mu de wo matwam Adom TV Kasee etoso Adom Kasee amane boni odihye osudwo ni omanfo a womo ewo be godenu ene nkura hodo ewo Hohoe etwetwe nkomo ene odi tu dwase se obi ekwa abonte akwakoja ne nan enya pampan efiri mu ba no nko ene ha adwe na emom ede yarewa ahodo nso eba mframa mu a emu akra wo kyerese se janan bia yi a wo mra hyebedwani ene assembly akabo mu ayama wo mu yi ebetimi aboa pa ama yare na enam ahonini nsam so ede ba no eto betimi echa.
I would advise that, but it comes with challenges. Because I remember the last time the municipal people were here, like the first people that are not having to do something like that. And what it brought was, see, some households are nearer to each other. And the position they will show somebody to do his own is nearer to somebody else's kitchen or somebody else, something that wouldn't want the toilet to. So it brought challenges.
We're having this latrine problem. At first, we were having some pit latrine over here, which as me and I saw both to the residents and the children around here. Sometimes when your little child is going to the toilet, you will be afraid that he or she might fall inside the pit. So seeing this plight, we mobilize ourselves with the community leaders and opinion leaders, and we've been to the MP. So when we told him about our plight, before you know it, they've started building this edifice. Other people even thought this is a house. But when they open it for you, you'll be surprised. World-class standard, that I will not lie to you. We have not seen such things in Hohoe before. And we are very grateful to Honorable John Peter Mo for making this happen to us.
And wechi ena mensini krachi wo Hohoe Daniel Nobo awume editu jase na ho akoyin ase osie janan bia hodo e wo mensini no emo manfo sebe yi a wo mo ekomontene so koja won nan e wo manchia hodo no etu ebitwa oni Adom Kasee amane boni odihye ba ohusudwo etwetwe sankomoyi.
Sanitation policy and program for the municipality. I dab it clean your operation, clean your frontage and your backyard.